Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a revolution in luxury travel. This is more than just a motorhome, it's a statement. This is the 2026 McLaren Motorhome. Its exterior, which was created using the same DNA as the most incredible hypercars in the world, is a stunning fusion of racetrack aerodynamics and modern design. Every line and curve has a distinct purpose and is made of carbon fiber for optimal strength and low weight. Its matte gray paint and unique LED light accents, evocative of the old McLaren Senna, make it look like it's moving at 100 kilometers per hour even when it stopped. But this beauty is more complex than it first appears. A hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine with over 900 horsepower that is reminiscent of a race vehicle is concealed in this artwork. It proves that its blend of electric efficiency and sheer power can sustain a 5-star hotel and a Ferrari on wheels. When you get inside the cockpit, you find a command center designed for pilots. A massive, curving OLED display that is a marvel of minimalist design serves as the dashboard's focal point. From infotainment and navigation to a comprehensive performance overview of the hybrid system, everything is shown with breathtaking clarity. The dash is upholstered in premium leather and carbon fiber trim, and the steering wheel feels appropriately weighted in your hands, drawing inspiration from the McLaren Artura. You may engage with the machine here and observe the precision and zeal of McLaren engineers. As soon as you step out of the cockpit, the atmosphere is transformed into an opulent, open-plan living room. The interior is a contemporary luxury masterpiece that expertly combines efficiency and grace. A sleek and calm atmosphere is produced by the delicate mood lighting, which emphasizes a neutral color palette and crisp, angular forms. Because of its lightweight composite construction and high-quality Alcantara finish, the furniture stresses comfort without compromising beauty. The seats can rotate and recline, transforming the lounge into an immersive home cinema experience with a huge, retractable screen and an excellent sound system. You'll find that the bedroom is a sanctuary designed to encourage the maximum amount of rest. It has tranquil lighting, minimal lines, and a serene ambience. A king-sized bed with a high-density memory foam mattress offers unparalleled comfort. Because of the hidden cabinets and compartments that run the length of the walls, there is a lot of storage without taking up much space. A large panoramic window at the head of the bed allows you to wake up to stunning views of the outside while still enjoying complete privacy. There is no denying the bathroom's superb design. A rain shower head and a walk-in shower with tempered glass add to the concept of a wet bath. The toilet and sink are seamlessly integrated into the design, as are a touch-sensitive faucet and smart mirror. A stunning and durable heated composite material is used to make the flooring. This section, which emphasizes economy and design, shows how luxurious even a small space may appear. The kitchen is a chef's dream come true with all of its modern gadgets. A full-size refrigerator with a freezer, a combined convection microwave, and a 2-burner induction cooktop are all beautifully incorporated into the elegant cabinetry. The countertops, which are made of a strong modern composite material, have a surprisingly wide surface area and clever storage for all of your culinary needs. It has the luxurious ambience you would expect from a modern penthouse, and it is equipped so you may cook delectable meals whenever you choose.